In this video, I will show you how to add login and sign up pages to your application in Base44. Let's get started. I begin on the dashboard and navigate to the prompt bar to describe the functionality I want to build. I type in a request to add a complete user authentication gate, specifying a modern login and sign up toggle view that restricts access to the main dashboard data. After hitting send, the Base44 AI begins building the idea in real time. I'll give it a moment to process the request and set up the necessary routing and design systems. Once the generation is complete, the AI provides a summary of the changes. The app is now gated behind an authentication layer, redirecting unauthenticated users to a polished login and sign-up interface while providing authorized users with a full sidebar navigation and activity feed. I'll go ahead and click Publish to take these changes live. I select the Public Visibility option and hit the Publish button. With the app live, I copy the URL and open it in a new tab to test the results. This shows that the authentication gate is working perfectly, securing the data while providing a smooth entry for the user. I can now navigate through the analytics, reports, and settings, knowing the entire application is protected. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.